number 2A on the green worksheet for section 5.7, and they kind of make it a little annoying in all three of these, is that they make them all log base 5, base 4, base 3. So you have to keep writing that little base every time. If it was all base 10, you wouldn't have to worry about writing the little number. So be careful. If they give you base 5, make sure if you write out multiple logs, they both have base 5 on them. Okay? Just a word of advice there. So the first thing I would notice is we have this big division bar. What can division become according to that blue rule from earlier, subtraction? So we have the log base 5 of the top minus the log base 5 of the bottom. When we first learned it, it looked like this. They're two separate logs. Okay? We learned the log base b of mn equals, sorry, I don't know why I said that. I'm going to pause now. I'm going to have to edit that. Code word. The rule was, if you have the log of m over n, you do the log of m minus the log of n. That's the rule I did right there. Does that help when I overwrite the m and the n? I don't know. Maybe. Here we go. The next one we're going to incorporate is, I have the log of mn right there. Something times something. So what can I do with them? Add them. I can do the log base 5 of a plus the log base 5 of the square root of b. In our old textbook series, it was very corny. It said the name of this section was splitting logs. All right? Yeah. So you have the log of something being multiplied that you can split. You split the log into two separate ones. Okay. Next, last part. At this point, are there any exponents that could potentially come out front? The 4. And when you look at the square root symbol, you don't traditionally think, hey, that's an exponent. But you could, right? The square root of b is the same as b to the what? That's, yeah, b to the 1 over 2. B to the 1 over 2 power. I'm going to write everything else just the way they were. I didn't change anything except what I did in green, okay? Trying to split things up so your head doesn't hurt as much when doing this. And color code things and sort of do them slowly. Now, are there any exponents that could come out front? Yes, 2 of them. The 1/2 and the 4. So the log A won't get changed. This exponent will come out front according to the power rule. And this 4 will come out front because of the power rule as well. That's as far as you can go to simplify that. The instruction said, let me just zoom out so we can read them again. The direction said, write each expression as a sum or difference of logarithms, or constants times logarithms. Those are constants times logarithms. That's a fun problem. I hope you enjoyed it.